Hello everyone, I'm Amul. We're going to understand Oracle Cloud Application, which is an integrated and AI-driven SaaS suite. So what we are going to cover up here in this demonstration is the high-level function and features along with hands-on demonstration towards the end of the session. Now, first understand what Oracle Fusion application is. So what you see here on the screen is homepage once you get login credentials. And this vision is a demo company to understand the function features of the application. So Oracle is a cloud-based software system which helps businesses run everything in one single place. It includes your financial ERP, HCM, supply chain, customer management, CX related tasks and activities, and many more. Even you can manage your asset, depreciation, eventually retire them likewise. So what you see here is a silo module wise, access will be given to you and you can access them. So what we have to focus not on granular level of functionality, but first build up what Oracle application is all about at high level. Then eventually one by one in every video, I'll be giving you a detailed perspective, a detailed functions and features demonstration right from implementation to your day-to-day operational activities, end user activities. So Oracle offers a wide range of modules, and those all systems, all modules are connected and share the same data. So everything is stay consistent. Oracle, you can handle your technical setups, your security, your maintenance. You don't have to worry of all about it. You can access it anytime, anywhere on any device. It helps businesses become more faster, more flexible, and cost efficient. And it has a built-in technology like artificial intelligence and automation to improve your operational productivity. So how you can simplify your business is a main objective of Oracle software. So running a business is not simple and straightforward. Everything changes every day and you have to adapt. So you need to handle your people, your money, your finances, your suppliers, your customers, all at once. And traditionally, company, you had to buy their own softwares and then have to maintain themselves, keep team ready and updated, recruit people if that skill is not available, etc., etc. But now Oracle has made easy for Oracle clients. So what Oracle offers, right? So Oracle provides all business software on cloud. So instead of you managing and installing everything on your own premises, you can now combine all your business aspect of your technology needs, right? It could be your modules, it could be your database, it could be your middleware, it could be your rack system, whatever it is. So all the system talk to each other and use the same data, and there is no confusion or duplication at one single place using Oracle SaaS applications. So you don't have to worry much on your IT side. Rather, you focus more on a business growth. Now, next slide. So what you cover up there as a part of your business? So you have ERP for managing your finance and businesses, your reports, maybe it government reports, statutory reports, your management reports, your budgets, right? Likewise, in HCM, you manage your employees, their performances, their payrolls, their growth, their everything, right? In supply chain, you have inventories, logistic, everything, right? And they share the same data model. And customer, obviously, a customer is a main function of it. Without customer, business can't exist. So how you can manage them X potentially, so you get maximum return of business for your IT related investments. So now on using the SaaS, what happens is you have application layer, you have database and middle level, and you also have cloud infrastructure. So everything is provided by Oracle for your company, and you don't have to worry all about it. Looking after your stacks, your day-to-day consumption, or managing your rack system or anything for that. So you have zero responsibility. So you don't manage your hardware server database. Oracle takes care of your even your security, performance, and upgrades. Your system are always up and running, no downtime. So it's like, fully service apartment you have ready. You just get in and you start doing businesses instead of looking after maintenance of that particular house. Along with that, Oracle also gives you quarterly upgrades for your software to keep up with the latest technology trends. Now, every other day there are, artificial intelligence related updates and features. The world has become very competitive. They're using advanced technology, and Oracle also have built their own AI stack. It's a built-in, not bolted on. So this is a very uh, great advantage for Oracle ERP clients. So adopt new features, improve the performance, and be competitive in the market. And uh, you use all AI functionalities, all AI features along with the machine learning. So you don't need to install anything, everything updates automatically. That is the idea of this particular screen. And then the user look and feel, it's very intuitive, very predictive, specific to your context, data, what information you're. So there is an interaction between the user and the system, as if they are talking to each other, as if they are a real human being. So you can use the any language, a natural conversational language, what we use, right? And you can access it through your laptop, phones, tablet, while you are traveling or whatnot. And you can catch up with the system. So we are going to see all these feature through demonstration. And now next slide. And it's built on the how you get your work day-to-day work get done. So what you used to do, install your software, your on-premises, test it, then build it, then team has to hire, technical expert has to be there. Now, Oracle is giving you all the updates. You have to just plan in advance with the required set of people who, or your staff rather, and they will update according to quarterly cycle you have adopted for your organization. So basically, this helps businesses adapt faster to change. As far as costing is concerned, you have lower upfront cost, no need to buy any hardwares, like I said, lower maintenance cost because Oracle are managing everything for you, and there is a less risk for you to maintain your data, your information. So overall, it saves money, improves efficiency over time, and you focus more and more on your business. Now, AI is embedded, it's built in. So it is a real breakthrough for any client because they don't have to buy and go to another vendor and then implement and then integrate. It's a very time consuming process and you have to invest so much money with the people and hiring. But Oracle has built it. You have to just learn new feature, hire those people who can fast adapt those feature and implement and take leverage for your business. Obviously, you have modern UX, which is a Redwood uh, user interface through which is very intuitive and user can process their data very fast and you get latest information for your organization to make your day-to-day decision. You also have a strong uh, Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Foundation along with this, and it is always updated according to latest technologies. And partner, we have a partner ecosystem, and Oracle have a partner ecosystem, and through which you also get dedicated resources for certain expertise, your organization. So basically, AI improves a decision and productivity. Easy to use interface is simple for people to operate and navigate and get things done in quicker and shorter time. And then you have a smart suggestions. So it feels more like using modern app than a complex system. So this is how Oracle, cover ups and keeps up with the trends. And why customers like it most is because everything is in one place, easy to use, always updated, secure, and reliable, which is most important for any organization, and helps businesses grow faster and steadily. So that's all for now. This as part of the theoretical explanation, but now we'll focus on demonstration, where I'll explain you the functions and features of the application. In this demonstration, I have logged in as a financial user. So I have access of certain roles under Vision fictitious company for the purpose of demonstration. So in this, I'm going to explain financial, which is one of the main part of Oracle Fusion Cloud ERP. Oracle Financial helps companies manage their finances in modern and flexible way with the less manual work, better decision, and higher productivity. It offers a wide range of features and keep improving every quarter through technologies. And in these technologies, artificial intelligence, machine learning, smart automation, as well as data analysis. So let us begin by looking at some of the analytics and how they help identify problem and make transaction processing more efficient. So in this homepage, I'm going to scroll down, and down here, there is a analytic section. So according to role assigned to you, you will have certain analytics to your user. So here we are looking at general ledger accounting infolettes. An infolette is a small interactive widget that gives you important information and shows what is happening in the area you're responsible for. You may also notice items that needs your attention, and these can be simply understood as a showing you what you need to know, what action to take, right? So for example, when you are under pressure to close your financial records quickly and finish reporting at the end of the period, it is important for you to know sorry, your current progress. Here we have close calendar, then open subledger infolette, right? So these infolettes helps you monitor and see the current status of that area. Now, for intercompany transaction, which needs to be processed. Now here, no outstanding, so which means that all intercompany transactions have been processed successfully. You can also see the progress on your reconciliation between general ledger and subledger. Here in this case is AR. Here it gives the difference and what has to be settled between GL and the AR transactions. Here at the top right side of this analytics, there is a repository. This is infolette repository, where you can add more infolettes according to your business needs. For example, if you want to add AP reconciliation, you just go and check that. So that will be visible. So beside this, it has become visible. So you can hide whichever is needed for you and hide, as well as you can create your own user-defined infolets according to your business policies. For example, if I click here on Open Subledger Infolet, it now it should take me, yeah, to close monitor. Now on this screen shows closing status for specific accounting period across different product. Product means subledger as well as G. And it shows us in a specific structured hierarchy. What you see here is that hierarchical view. You can also check the status for each ledger. Means this is a one corporate ledger, okay, and below that there are subsidiary ledgers. The system uses this hierarchy to reflect how different entities are grouped and consolidated. I can maximize view for better closure view. And now at the top, you see overall consolidation for that specific organization. And now this ledger group is made of ledger, and this is a ledger set. And down here, there are ledger which share the same chart of account and calendar. So I will not go detail into those aspects, which is part of configuration, and that I will cover up in upcoming videos as a part of configuration setups. Now within each section, you see there is a manager. So if I just click here, and you can see the manager, the person information, that person's position, okay, and contact number. So why this is important? Because it gives you flexibility to reach out to a specific person who is responsible and get work done. And that is similar to most of the ledgers there. So as mentioned here, this view is for a specific ledger group, accounting period, and currency. And it helps you easily understand overall closing status. Now, let me take you back to homepage. So, and here, I simply will go and click on the logo, which also takes me to homepage. And from there, I will take you to payables. So either you can go to payables from here, okay, because all the areas which you're responsible will be assigned to you. Either you can go from here, you can click on the navigation pane. In payables, I will click on invoice work area. At the top, you can see there are several sections, these boxes, which are known as info tiles. Earlier, we have seen the infolets. Now we are looking at info tiles. Now, these are similar to infolets, but are used within a work areas to show real-time alerts, monitor processes like payable processes, invoice processes, and track transaction status, highlight any issue that needs immediate attention. If you select an option with an info tile here, any of it, the related transaction will appear. If I click here, now approval, the related transaction shows up right here, right on the screen. You don't have to go and will not be taken to any different screen. So you can act immediately. Simple actions like approving an invoice or removing hold can be done with a just single click. Now, this helps improve productivity for basic tasks. Now, looking at first info tile called scanned. The invoice shown here were created using IDR, which is Intelligent Document Recognition. Many suppliers send invoices by email, right? So IDR automatically reads these documents, extract important details in order to create invoices, and import them into system. Now, the invoices shown here, since I have just clicked on this, the invoices which are shown here are only one which has a specific issue. This means you only need to handle exceptions, while all correct invoices are processed automatically based on the scanning done by machine learning, right? Now I'll just go and click on one of the invoices. So it opens up. It's taking some time. And once it is open, you see the invoice details, header label information, line label information, etc. Now, if I go to another invoice, click there, one more window is automatically opened. Now, this also showcases you the scanning done for that specific invoice, but it couldn't process or go through because certain invoice or information was missing. So in that case, we have to go manually and identify what was missing and process that specific invoice. So as we keep using this IDR technology, it improves through machine learning. Means it learns from correction you make. So certain information was maybe this number was missing, and next time I add this number, and the system will learn how you as a person have corrected that information, and it learns from our examples. It learns from our correction, and it becomes better at extracting information from future invoices for the same supplier. Over time, the accuracy improves. IDR helps you process supply invoices quickly from entry to payment, showing how artificial intelligence can make invoices handling more efficient. So invoice processing and payment can be improved further using other artificial features. And what are they? It could be automatic account coding, dynamic discounts while making payment to supplier, right? So there are many such tools and features available through Oracle. Now I'll just click cancel and will take you to main homepage. Like I just talked about artificial intelligence for AI, for payables, here on the home screen, there is also a digital assistance available down here. If you see this red button, there is a digital assistance. I simply click on it. And as soon as I click there, it helps us with the common task and any query or question you may have about completing your task. And you can see some suggested action already displayed on the screen. View payslip, view absence, order laptop, or create expenses. Create expenses is a commonly used because most of the employee have to submit their expenses. And if I just simply click on create expenses, I can record my expenses just using this window. Now, how this window helps me, record this transaction. First of all, I can, use this attachment, and just upload. If I click here and you can share flight or I have expenses, captured using my camera on cell phone, I simply click it and upload it. And again, it reads through machine learning and create expenses for you. Or if I simply type here, okay, I'll just simply say taxi, just a moment, it's taking time. So I simply type taxi for $50 and click enter. Now it's saying what when this expenses happened. I just simply typed $50 and it's asking when did it happen. So I would say today, and description is office expenses. Now, based on this information, it needs more uh, explanation. What type of expenses is this? I would say taxi, so it goes under car rental. And once I give the input, it creates, it gives me a screen here, right here, and uh, asks me to create expense. So I didn't do much. I just gave $50 and taxi and just gave additional information provided. Had I provided that before, it wouldn't have even asked for me. So you just simply creating expense using this digital assistance. And here you see, okay, I created expense but can't submit it for approval without additional detail. That's fine. That's another story because it needs more detail because according to process we have created. But now to see if this really has been created into system, I just close this window and I'll go to my area of work, which is me, and see. I just close this and under expenses, if this car rental is created. Sometimes system is slow just because of some maintenance work is going, and since this is a demo instance. All right. So here, if I see today's date and the expenses is already created on my behalf according to digital assistance. Okay, and here it is. And if I simply click on it, you can see the details. So you don't have to even enter data in any uh, uh, expense report. You just give instruction and the system itself create expenses for you. Likewise, you can recheck this and upload the information. Now, apart from this, you can also create expenses using spreadsheet as well. That option is still open. Okay. While automation is the goal, the system also support, like I said, a spreadsheet to enter manual data entry when needed. For example, you can create expenses using a spreadsheet functionality. And spreadsheet also can be used for journal entry or maybe adding assets or invoice entry, so on and so forth. Now, this is all about digital assistance and how we created and helped you create expense report. Now I'll go back to home. Let's look at how to create accurate and I will say no here. Now let's go to now home page. I'll just click cancel and click on the region to go get to home page. Now here we are going to learn how to create timely financial reports. So simply I will go to Navigator. There I'll go to General Accounting. And here is the Financial Reporting Center. Oracle provides powerful reporting platform. Here you see the Supreme US income statement. Okay, and now how these reports are created? It is based on the escape SBES cubes, which are also known as a or called as a GL balances cube. Now, these cubes store financial data in multi-dimensional format for easy analysis and reporting. There are different reporting tools available, including financial reporting web studio, like this one, which we are already looking at. And these also help us create professional financial or board room ready reports. Now, these reports can be accessed through Financial Reporting Center. Even you can use these reports and works well on your tab, on your mobile phone, on any digital device which is compatible. Now I will run Supremo US income statement from recent list. So here is a recent list and I just click on this statement now. And here it's opening. And here it comes. So maybe I'll just maximize, yeah, zoom in. And now you see this report is created for first quarter of 2026. The name of company is top level. And here also you see the expenses incurred for that quarter for a specific area. So if I click on office and communication expenses, I can further drill down area of expenses. And if I click on this expense software, it takes me to another window. And I can drill down to the granular level transaction. So overall, we have seen how financial application worked together to improve efficiency, automate processes using analytics, AI, enable timely reporting, reduce time needed to close financial records. Right. So now I'll just go back from here and go to home screen, home page. So that is was intended at this high level demonstration. And that's all for now for this specific session. Going forward, I will be covering more important implementation configuration for specific business scenarios. So I just wanted to set tone, get started, and people who also are from non-Oracle background get idea about what I'm going to cover up in upcoming series. So I just gave you a very brief, quick, short idea of Oracle application and high-level functional features. Hope this has been helpful to you. I'm firm believer that knowledge is powerful when it is shared. Thank you. Have a nice time.